Any queries on the list before I start? Any queries on the list? Any queries on the list? Now, if you look at the examples, what we have done, in all the examples, we created our own dummy data. Right. So, but when you go down the line, we are supposed to, when you go down the line, we are supposed to take the data from database. Right now, I have created a dummy data and I was working. But when you go further, we take the data from database. So, look at the point. We are done with the concept of list. We will see list of list. I'll be spending a couple of more sessions on the collections. As I say, important topic. You need to understand logic formation. We are done with the theoretical part. We are done with the examples. Okay, but let us make more complex examples so that you get confident level in implementation. Right. Let us get into more complex scenarios so that you get some understanding or get the confidence in implementing the good business requirements. Okay. So don't be panicked by looking at the scenarios. You're supposed to practice the similar type of scenarios. Right. Now, as of now, we have seen if you want to take, we have seen simple string. What you have taken? List of. If you have taken integer, you're going to take list of. Now you're going to take one string, one integer, one decimal. So tell me what you take. All string, you have taken list of string. All integer, you have taken list of integer. You take a string, integer, decimal, what do you take? Right. See, it's not one, it's multiple values. Now, if you want to take multiple records with each record containing one string, one integer, one decimal, it is a wrapper. Now, I told I have 3 different values which I have to store in a list. Then how do you take it? If you are not sure about the format, we take object. Object will accept any type of data. So when you want to take one integer, one decimal, one integer, one decimal, one string, I will take list of object. It will take any type of data. Okay. Next, account. What do you take? List of account. You want to take contact. You take list of. Now, if you take account, contact, opportunity. Now, tell me what you take? List of. Right? Now, if you take a primitive, I will take list of objects. If you take a S object, I'll take list of S object. Boss, if you know it is an account, you take account. If you know it is a contact, you take a contact. I am getting one account, one contact, one case. I am not sure. Then I will take list of S object. Is that was clear? Okay. Now, our context is. Now, my context is. Look at the context. I want to take list of list of list of list of integer. If you take integer, it is a list of integer. Suppose if I have list of integer, you take list of list. If it is a integer, you have taken list of integer. If it is a list of integer, it is what? List integer. Right. Then how do you insert the data? List of integer marks. List of integer so how you write now? Student marks dot add, because it is expecting a list of integer. I have created a list of integer, adding this to student marks. This is how we have created. Is that was clear for everyone? People have followed this requirement, right, boss? So what I have taken? List of list integer. Okay. Now let us speak. Look at this example. Anyone has any query? Let me know. Look at that. If you have taken like this, list of integer, ages dot add 10, ages dot add 20, ages dot add 30. This is how I done, because they are expecting what? Integer value. But here what they are expecting? List of integer. Because there is an integer value, I gave integer, right? Because there is an integer value, we have taken ages dot add 10, ages dot add 20, but they are expecting a list of integer. Because they are expecting a list of integer, that all student marks dot add marks. What is marks one? List of integer. Is that was clear? Clear for everyone? Okay. Let us take the next example. Create a list of list. List of list string. Create this example, everyone. Create this example. Create this example. Take some places. Hyderabad places as one set. Bangalore places as one list. Chennai places as one list. Take a list of Hyderabad places, one list. Bangalore places, one list. Chennai places, one list. Put them in a list of list. Done. So how did you do it? Then I have places dot add. Is that clear? Okay. Now, people are good at this. Okay. Now, get me the places which are at index 1 and display all the values. Get me the places which are at index 1 and display all the values. Get me the places which are at index 1 and display all the values. Get me the places which are at index 1 and display all the values. Get me the places which are at index 1 and display all the values. Get the places. How do you get the places? Now, look at the point. It is like this. list of integer age is equal to new list of integer 10, 20, 30. List of integer age is equal to new list of integer 10, 20, 30. List of integer age is equal to new list of integer 10, 20, 30. If I want to get the value, what I do? Age of. Now, why do you take integer there? Why do you take integer? Because it's a list of integer. At every index, integer value will be there. Now, what was this list of string? Now, what was this? It is a list of string. What will be there at every index? It is integer. So, at every index, we have integer. If it is a list of string, at every index, what we are going to have? List of string. My place is equal to places dot get of. Because it's a list of integer, we got integer value. Because it's a list of list string, list of integer, at every index we have integer value. It is a list of list string. At every index, what value we have? List of string. Then we are supposed to take for yes. Have you got the point? Right. Let us take the next.
Excuse me, can you please
Yes.
repeat once again?
Now, it is a integer value. At every index, what value we had? This over here. So, if I want to say get the value which is at index 0, what value is there at index 0? 10. So, we are getting 10. Same story, I am saying list of, please mute your microphone. Same story. Is over here. Now tell me what will be there at index 0? It is going to be group of element. List of. Here what is there at index 0? Integer. Here what is there? List of string. So, right, this is what I gave. At 0, we have H places. At 1, B places. At 2, C places. So when I told get the value at 0, list of string. Is that was clear for everyone? Right, boss? Okay. Now create. Create a list of list. Create a list of list accounts. Complete this example. Create a list of list examples. Make it fast, Amma. Create a list of list. Make it attempt. People want to learn everything in the air only. Right. Let us take an example. List of list. Right. List of account. Then how you create? We can also create the account with the field name equal to value. Field name equal to value. We can also do it like this. We can also create like this. This is also accepted. This is also accepted. Then what I'm doing? ACC1 dot add. This is how we are giving. Right? Create one more. Then what you are supposed to do? Accounts dot add. First create an account, put them to the list. Then add that list to list of list account. Right, boss? Is it was clear for everyone? Now, get the accounts which are at index 1 and display the list. Get the accounts which are at index 1 and display the values. How do you get it? List of account ACCS equal to accounts dot get of money. Then how you display? Is that was clear for everyone? Then let us take the next one. Create a, everybody is good with this? Listen carefully now. Create a wrapper class.
Satish, I have a doubt. Sorry.
Let me first complete it.
Sure.
I'll answer. Create a wrapper class with name, phone, rating as data members. Create a list of account info. Create the following. Then create a list of account. Take one by one record. Account info order. Okay. Start implementing this. Yes, online, go ahead. What is your query?
Yeah, Satish, in the above example, the one which you showed, in that, we are looping with accounts. Do we need to loop in with ACCS or accounts?
See, from the accounts you got element at index 1. Now,
Yes.
what was this example? Accounts this is. At index
Yes.
1, it should be a list of list. Now, what was this list? Accounts is a list of list element. At index 1, what will be there? List of accounts will be there.
List of account.
That's how I took accounts of.
Yes. But in the for loop, I'm asking, Satish.
Acha, acha.
It should be accounts A,
Yes.
ACCS. Okay.
Yeah, you're right. Yes, yes. Now come to this example, everyone. First, create a wrapper class. Create a wrapper class. Create a wrapper class. Put the data into the list. Create a list of account, take one by one record and convert. First, create a wrapper class. So you get it. Then we create list of then how do you create account info? Account info a2 dot name. This is what we have done. List of account info. Right? Then what I ask you to do? Create a list of account. Then I told take one by one record from account info, info, take one by one record. So what is that info dot name? Wipro. Info dot phone number 1111. Info dot rating hot. So let me give you the point here. Then what I'm doing? I told account info. This is the list of account infos. In that info is what? First record. Now what is that info dot name? Wipro. Info dot phone number 1111. Info dot rating. Account ACC equal to new account. ACC dot name equal to info dot ACC dot phone equal to phone dot. What I'm doing, trying to create an account with the data from this. With the same data, I was trying to create. This is what I do. How it look like? ACC dot name equal to info dot name. What is that info dot name? ACC dot phone equal to info dot phone number. Data from that list and creating one account. So move to the next. Again, what I told, account ACC. Right? Then add them to list of accounts. So what did I do? I created account. Where name equal to this is what I created. I hope you got it, my points. So what I done with the data which is available in the account info, I am creating account record. Is that was clear for everyone? Anyone has any query on this? So first let us understand. Till here, anybody has any query? The first set, creating a wrapper class, then list of wrapper class, inserting the data. Till here, anybody has any query? Let me know first. Creating a wrapper class, anyone has any query? Response was perfect. Pakka. Confident. Right. Okay. Then list of account info. What was that? List of account info. What is the data type? Account info is the data type. Then what I asked you to do? Create one account info record, add them to the list. Create one more account info record, add it to the list. Any query about this list? Right? So this is how the data is created. The list we have. Then I wrote a loop. Account info loop. In the loop, what I'm doing? Referring to this data. Info will refer to what? First record. Then in the loop, what I'm doing? Based on the data in the account info, I want to create one account. So what I have taken? Account ACC equal to new account. ACC dot name equal to info dot name. ACC dot phone equal to info dot phone. ACC dot rating equal to info dot rating. Then add this ACC to list of accounts. Then what happened? Info will go to again new account, one more account. ACC dot name equal to info dot name. ACC dot phone equal to info dot phone. ACC dot rating equal to info dot rating. Add the account to the. I hope everyone has followed this. Clear? Clear for everyone? Clear?
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of obtaining each field and assigning it to account, can we typecast it and assign directly to account object?
See, now the point here is if the random data is coming, how do you convert it to account is the question. Now, why to typecast also straight away we can create account? No. Now, the point here is if you have data available in different class, taking the data from different class and creating an account is the question mark here. That is the reason why you have taken this example. Otherwise, straight away we might have created account like this. Instead of creating account info, converting into account, we can take straight away. But here the requirement is the data which I need is available in list of account info. Then how to take one by one record from info and create account is the example I am trying to convey. Is that was clear? Then next one. When you say typecasting, everything cannot be converted into. Now I cannot convert account into integer. There should be a reasonable format. S object cannot be converted into account. Class cannot be converted into object. Are you clear? Is that was clear, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now look at the next example. Similar type I'll give you. How many of you are comfortable with this example? What I given now? That anyone has? See, either you tell yes or no. Okay. If you keep a JNT answer on your faces, I cannot understand. Now, how many of you are comfortable with this? How many of you are not? Okay, let's say, how many of you are not comfortable? How many of you are comfortable? Right. Now, how many of you are not sleeping? It should be comfortable or not comfortable, right? Let me take one more example. Create a proper class, contact info with last name, first name, create a list of contact info. First complete this example. First complete the step 1 and step 2. First complete these 2 steps, then we take the extension. First complete these 2 steps. Now, first to create the wrapper class, public. Public class contact info, public string, this is the wrapper class I have created. Then create list of button. So we had C1 dot last name. This is what I create. Go to the next one. Right? Create the third one. Once you create, what is the structure we received? We have this is how we got the data. This is how we got it. Any query till here? Everyone is good? Okay. Now write a loop to refer to one by one contact info. Write a loop, just start the for loop. Just start the for loop to refer to one by one record in the contact info. Write a for loop to refer to one by one record in the contact info. Write a for loop to refer to one by one contact in the contact info. Contact info. Contact info CI con info. Right. Now what should I do? Convert every contact info record to a list of contacts. Now I got convert every contact info record into contact. Convert every contact info record into contact. So based on the data that is in the contact info, convert them into contact. How will you convert? Contact C equal to, so I have C dot last name. Now we have only last name and first name. Age and salary is not there in contact object. In the contact object, what fields we have? Last name and first name. So last name equal to CI dot. Got my point? So in the wrapper class, we have a lot of information, but I don't need all that information. I require only few fields. In the wrapper class, I have a lot of data. Out of the data, I need only few information. Is that was clear? Followed, Amma? Anyone has any query on this now? Is that was clear? Everyone, let me know if you can. Let me know if you are not followed or not. I can go with the next couple of examples. Followed, we can go to the next step. Otherwise, I'll take some more examples on the same. Right? People have followed this. Clear for everyone? Right? Anyone has any query? Good with this? Good with this, everyone?
Satish, what is the contact key is equal to new contact?
It is a contact record we are creating. See, what is an account? It is a standard object. What is a contact? Standard object. For every standard object, what we have? Corresponding Apex class. If you want to create a record, what we do? Contact C equal to new contact. Right? Is that was clear? Clear, boss?
Yeah, yes, Satish.
Now, I'm making very clear. Every topic we are going to take is an extension of previous classes. So if you don't practice the previous, next will be a difficult for you. People are supposed to practice the previous examples. Okay. Now, let us take the next example. Create a wrapper class. Name, industry. create a list of ACC details. Now start doing this. Now, what we have done? So finally, we have received the data in this form. Now, from this data, I want to make so list of now last. Just making diagonal representation, boss. People who are new, you're supposed to make a diagonal representation to understand the flow. Don't make a shortcuts. Make a proper diagonal representation so that you understand it better. This is how we are creating. Now, what I want to do is from this list of records, take one by one record, create one account, one contact. Now we have a list of account details. From this, take one by one record and create one account, one contact. First of all, how do you take one by one record? I told create a list of account. Take it for ACC details. AC. I have taken one by one record. Till here, any query? It is a loop. One by one record we are taking. What is our AC? This is our AC. Then I have told account A equal to A dot name equal to A dot industry equal to. Then I ask you to take contact. Contact C1 equal to C1 dot last name. Sorry, I was not supposed to give here, right? AC dot. Similarly, AC dot. Then we are putting the data. After creating account, put the many accounts. Is that was clear for everyone? So from the list of account details, ACC details, I have taken one by one record and created one account and one contact, because wrapper class contains 4 fields, out of which 2 of them are used for creating the account, 2 of them are used for creating the contact. Is that was clear? Any confusion? I hope everyone has clarity on this, right? Any new learners, any problem with this, right? Anyone has any query? Stop copying, make an attempt of writing. Don't replicate. Make an attempt. Make an attempt of writing by your own. I hope you are good with this. So just what we are trying to do. See, when you get into the practicality, this is how the scenarios will be built. When you get into practicality, this is how the scenarios will be built. We don't get a straight away requirement. Right? We are supposed to take the data from a wrapper, convert into records, data from the records, convert into wrapper, data from the records, convert into wrapper. This is how the combinations will work. I hope everybody is good with this example. Clear for everyone? Everyone is good? Clear? Right, boss? Okay. Right. Next. Let us take the next example. Now, look at this. Account ACC equal to this is how we go. This is an account. Now I told account A equal to ACC. What does it mean? What does it mean? Now we had created one account. This is how we got. Now, this is what? ACC. I told A equal to ACC. So, A is also referring to what? Both are referring. What is A? Reference variable. What is ACC? Reference variable. New account will create this. That account is referred by ACC. Okay, AC equal to ACC means whatever the ACC is referring, same thing is referred by. Now, why did I take this? Look at the example. Public class account info. I have this. Now, how do you create account info A equal to new account info? Then what we are doing? A dot ACC equal to new. Am I right? Am I right with this? Right? Then A dot ACC dot this is our entry. Now to make it simple, same thing I can also give like this. Account A equal to new account. A dot name equal to then I'm creating account info AI equal to AI dot ACC equal to A. Now what this ACC is referring? Whatever the A is referring, the same thing. Now what is the advantage? Length of the program reduced. Am I right? Are you getting my point? So you can create an account separately, assign that account to ACC. This is right. This is also right. This is also right format. This is also right format. Both convey the same meaning. Now cross check. Anyone has any query? These examples we'll do it tomorrow, next session. See whether you like it or not. Until you get perfect on this, I'll be taking the examples from. This is the logic reading is the major part of the story. If you understand the formation of logic, rest all the program will be comfortable to you. If you simply go with learning a syntaxes, methods, it will not fetch anything. So down the line, you should be able to write your own logics. Okay, if you don't able to write your own programs, there's no use of learning the course. So whether you like it or not, until I feel you're comfortable in this, we'll go with different formats of syntaxes. The second thing is, you practice the simple examples, it's of no use. Right? You're not a fresher anymore. You're going to, all of you, most of you are going to put up 3-4 years of experience. You need to gain that analysis level. Okay. So I'm again repeating, whether you like it or not, until I feel you are comfortable, I keep taking the examples. Probably duration may be slightly increased, but you'll be comfortable after completing the course. Right. Chalo. That's all from my end.